name is, well, I think I'd like to stay anonymous, but I have a really strange feeling that Marissa Romero is stalking me. Nah, I'm just playing. What's up, Marissa? It's Kai Phoenix here, and thank you, for proving me correct in my last video, that you is habitually on point and answering to my comment and actually leaving specific information from my video, which lets me know that you watched it to its entirety. Ladies and gentlemen, why she is able to do what she does. To this day, still the most refutable source I've encountered after tens of thousands of dollars in about a year. All right? And I watched your video this evening. I hope it came out today. I was busy with work and such. And I saw the video, and you was talking about how you could use somebody to go through your email, a brand manager, right? Oh man, I am so your dude. So your dude. Okay, and why am I? Why might you ask? Well, for about 5 years I ran my own music label. Okay? From the ground up with, at the top of the time, 6 artists. Prophecy, one of my female artists, actually won numerous RCA competitions. And yeah, basically my belief as a manager for that was people love organic music, right? When you hear an organic song, you feel it, right? Because it's real. It doesn't matter what genre it is, whether it's classical, whether it's country, whether it's polka, all right? Maybe not polka. Well, no, polka, seriously. If it's real, you're gonna feel it, right? And so artists need to be doing whatever it may be that cultivates their authenticness and their real music. And so it's up to the manager to do everything else. So talking brands, talking EPKs, talking regular PKs, talking everything. Selling tickets, making tickets, you name it. And now, actually, currently, I've stopped that. I got out of the music industry a while back to be an adult. And one of my artists that he's also my best friend. I got him started. I literally got him started rapping. And now he's doing tracks with Mozzie and whatnot. And I moved up to Winter Park where he lives, and he's like, hey man, I'm managing him again. But it's just him. And other than that, my wife actually got a wonderful, wonderful job up here, specifically so that I could run our businesses, which is a general contractor, which is kind of on the low right now. I don't have any jobs currently, and all of our e-commerce, which I was struggling with and still am, and I'm much further thanks to you, Miss Marissa, but I could use a lot more assistance. And so I'm thinking that perhaps we could talk further about bada bing, bada boom, tick, for a little bit of tech, but in a good way. So get back to me. Please understand that due to my loose understanding of YouTube, the only way that I can assure that you see this and at least want to look at it and respond to it is by the ridiculous thumbnails and titles. I mean, they're fun. If you don't think so, just tell me. So I'll stop. But that's what it is. I appreciate you more than anything. Maybe we could talk about the infinite banking, because that's something I will be doing. Thank you for giving me the most refutable information on the internet, on YouTube. Marissa Romero, the only person saying shit, period. Peace. Jiminy crickets. I almost forgot. The whole point of that video and you stalking me, Marissa, was that I was literally thinking and having conversations about the exact things you were talking about and needing help in those specific areas. And out of the many, many things I know, once again, only person saying shit, infinite banking was something I had never heard of. Thank you. I'll talk to you.